Arduino Nano on a breadboard, and all these wires are just temporary connections to play around with these servos and get them to work right. It'll be powered off of this 12-volt battery. I have a separate battery pack over here for the servos. When I connect this, the Arduino will power up, and then it starts running the servos. Each servo is running at a different speed and a different sequence. This one is doing a cycle once every second. That will be for the conductor's right arm with the baton. This one is cycling once every 3 seconds. That'll be for the conductor's left arm. And this one will be for the head. And it's doing a random sweep back and forth. So he'll look left, he'll look right, he'll come back to the center, he'll look left again. The Nano is enclosed here and is removable, and the voltage regulator for the servos is here. This way the Nano and the voltage regulator travel back and forth with the platform, and I have very few wires that have to come back to the back of the organ. This is making one cycle about every 3 seconds. This may need a little more movement, and it could be just a little bit faster. This is approximately 1 cycle per second. That's probably good enough for the baton. I might move it just a little bit lower.